Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is you and your person reading. And as you know, they're all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So, and yeah, on one side they will be your energies, on the other side the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. But yes, you can swap the characters according to your situation, because they can be the vice versa thing. You have to see that according to your story, and then will be the most likely outcome also. Okay, so Cancerians, let's see what's going on and what are your feelings. Ace of Pentacles, their feelings, the Devil. Most likely outcome, the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so as far as these three cards are concerned, though I'll be taking the clarifiers. With the Ace of Pentacles, you want a stable beginning with this person. You have feelings for this person, and you want a commitment from this person. You want to have a stable life with this person, basically. Okay, this is what you want. As far as this person is concerned, with the Devil card, what I feel here is that this person is perhaps more focused on themselves. They have something in their own psyche they need to work upon. They need to look on something within themselves. Maybe they are very controlling, dominating, whatever it is, but this is a person who really needs to work on themselves. Have to take the clarifiers to comment more. And most likely outcome with the Queen of Pentacles is this person is just sitting and thinking. Just trying to what I'm getting here is that this person is as if you're just thinking as to what should be done in this situation, sort of a thing. I'll just see how I get the clarifiers. So let's see. We have the Temperance, the Emperor, and the Judgment. Okay, major cards. All the three are the major cards. Okay, let's see what's there on their side, their feelings. Okay, we have the Star, the Eight of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. Okay, most likely outcome. Five of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, so Cancerians, what I feel here is that you have this, what you have in your mind is a long-term stability with this person. You want a new beginning with this person. You are trying to, you are the person who is trying to balance this relationship, basically. You're trying to balance the things in this relationship more than this person, because perhaps maybe you are wiser than this person, or more mature. At least we are behaving in that way. You have the skill, you have the knowledge, you have that, you know how to deal with this person, basically. That's what I can say. You know how to deal with this situation, you know how to deal with this person, perhaps. And that is how you are moderating it, and that is how you are taking moving ahead, perhaps, if this is the situation in which you're moving ahead, or if it's already a relationship which has started. What I feel is that you are very wisely, you are balancing this situation and balancing this relationship, or taking this relationship ahead, or dealing with this in this relationship. You're dealing with it in a very wise way. Okay, and here you want a decision over here. The thing is that you are looking for a decision. You want them to make up their mind. You want some sort of a decision over here. You really want a new beginning. You really According to you, this person is sort of very very important for you. This person is very important for you. You feel he's the only one or she is the only one, sort of, and you are very nicely managing this relationship or dealing with this person, but you want a decision over here. You are waiting for a decision over here. As far as this person is concerned, with the star, again it's a major kind of star, the eight of wands and the nine of cups, what I feel is this person sees you as a wish fulfillment. They are very very emotionally content with you, they are very happy with you. There is a lot of communication also going on. But what I feel here is with the devil, perhaps they need to work on something. Maybe they have some past experiences which they need to work on. Maybe they have those controlling issues. Maybe they have some sort of fear or anxiety or some sort of negativity basically, which they need to work on. Basically, that is in their own nature. That's what they need to release so that they are able to be happy. Actually, that's what I feel. They need to work on something so that this relationship becomes more flourishing. Okay, either they have to let go of the control issues, either they have some sort of negative mindset or something. Maybe it's something which is maybe related to their past or something, but they need to let go of this, release this negativity, whatever this is. And but yeah, they do have feelings for you, they view you as their wish fulfillment. They are happy with you. This is, their feelings are like this and your feelings are also okay. But here with the Queen of Pentacles, the things which have come out, the other cards have come out, are the Five of Cups, the Six of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. So what I feel is that see, what I'm getting here is that emotionally you are not very happy. You're trying to balance the situation. And here we have the Queen and the King of the both Pentacles. Maybe this person is more focused on materialistic aspects, and that is what is the negative thing in them. Even if they are emotional for you, maybe they don't show that much. It can be that, though, even if they have emotions for you, they maybe, even if they like you, whatever it is, maybe, but they are more focused on the financial aspects or materialistic aspects of life. It can be that. And though they are trying to balance this thing, this is what they are supposed to do, but emotionally maybe there is something which is making you unhappy. And what I feel here is that what is making you unhappy is because they are more focused on the materialistic aspects of life. This is the thing which you want them to balance, or they want you to balance, whatever it is, because it's the most likely outcome and the mutual energy. So there is some sort of balancing which needs to be done on this aspect, because the emotional aspect is not well taken care of. That's what I feel. It's only about all about the riches and the abundances and the external world, basically all the status thing and all that. So even if you are together, I'm not saying that you won't be together, because maybe you are together, but the thing here, what I'm getting here, is you're more focused on the materialistic aspects rather than the emotional aspects. Okay, and that is what I think is needs to be corrected over here, because I think that is your person. Maybe you, if it's the opposite side, but one of you is definitely more focused on the materialistic aspects, not on the emotional aspects. Even if you are emotional, perhaps you are not showing that emotional aspect of yours as much as the other person wants, or maybe you are you're not giving that much of time or something like that, whatever it is. But that is what is need to be corrected, because the emotional aspect is being compromised on. That's what I feel, because even if you are together, that is something which needs to be balanced over here. Let's see what's the message from the universe for the Cancerians. Take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. Number 23 or number 5 may be of some significance for you. So yeah, take a chance on love. When we love, the lives are changed forever. So again, there is a lot of turbulence over here. So there is a relationship in which there is love, there is everything, but the turbulence, what I feel here is, can be because of this fact also. This fact only. We have the devil also. We have the turbulence over here. So whatever this turbulence is, this is maybe because of this aspect that the other person is more focused on the physical world, or on the materialistic world rather than on the emotions. Even if they have them, they don't show them, or something like that. Okay, so this is but still you can take a chance, work on this relationship if you want. You can, both of you can balance this relationship. That is what, just take a chance on love means, that give it a chance, talk about it, sit together, talk about it, balance it out, and things will be okay, perhaps. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Cancerians, and hope it helps. And please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.